Let's build level 2 today. When the player has collected a certain number of coins, the game should jump to level 2. I have now programmed that the player has to collect 3 coins to jump to level 2. Like this. This is the menu scene for level 2. If I now press the start button, level 2 starts. And now we are in level 2. Okay. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is build level 2. This will be a completely new scene. To create a new scene, you have to click here, on the plus sign. Now click here on 2D scene. Double-click on node 2D, and rename it to level_2, like this. Next I want to copy tile map from level 1 to level 2. To do this I go back to level 1. Click on tile map. Then right-click and click on copy. Or you can also press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. Then go back to your new scene, here. Click on your node level 2. Then right-click and click paste. Or you can do it again with the keyboard with Ctrl and V. Now you can design level 2 as you like. You can also change the color of the tiles, here at visibility. Like this. Save the scene by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Then click Save here. Now start the program. Okay, so far everything is fine. Next, let's copy the player into level 2. Go back to level 1. Click on Player, and copy it. Then go back to level 2, and click on the level 2 node again, here. And paste the player. Double-click on Player, and rename it to player_level_2. Next remove the script, because this is still the script from player level 1. To remove the script, click on this symbol. Now we have removed the script. Now add a new script to the player by clicking on this symbol again. Select Empty for template and click Create. Now, go to the script of player level 1 and copy the variables, move and speed. And add them to the script from player level 2. Like this. And we need the physics process function, so go back to the script from player level 1 again and copy the physics process function. And add it to your new script for player level 2. That's it. Go back to level 2, and run the program. Okay, everything seems to be working properly. The movements work in all directions. And the camera follows the player. Perfect. Go back to level 1 scene, here. Now we want the player to jump to the next level when he has collected a certain number of coins. We do this in the HUD script, here. Go to the function that is counting the coins, here. In my case it is called, onCoin collected. Now type this, if, statement. With this, if, statement, we say, when the player has collected 3 coins, level 2 should run. Start the program. After 3 coins are collected, the scene changes to level 2. Okay, it works. We could enhance the whole game a bit by adding a menu scene before level 2 starts. In the second part of this video, we will add a menu scene. That means, before level 2 starts, the player has to press a start button to launch level 2. See you in part 2. Have a nice day. Goodbye.